Going to talk about my topic, basic concepts of computer system and role of computers in education field. Computer stands for commonly operated machine, particularly used for trade education and research. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. A computer is an electronic device or machine that can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc., as well as logical operations like comparison at very high speed. A computer is also called a data processor because it can store, process, and retrieve data whenever desired. Computers play a vital role in every field, and computer technology is used in almost every sector of everyday life, including shop, ticketing counters, education institutions, industries, medicines, laboratories, business agencies, and even homes. Most multinational companies have computer and internet for marketing, communicating, and doing business from different part of the world. Considering the use of computer technology in almost every sphere of life, it is important for everyone to have at least the basic knowledge of using computers. A computer system consists of basically four main units. Name: first one is input unit, storage unit, center processing unit, and the output unit. The center processing unit further include arithmetic, logic unit, and control unit. The CPU is essentially the engine of a computer. It is a piece of hardware that carries out the instruction of a computer program. It performs the basic arithmetical, logical, and input-output operations of a computer system. A computer performs the following five operations. First one, it accepts data or instructions as input. Second one, it stores data and instruction. Third one, it processes data as per the instruction. Fourth one, it controls all operations inside a computer. And last it gives result in a form of output. Then in this era of information technology, computers are used in almost all walks of life. Computers are widely used in several fields such as education, communication, entertainment channel, banking, medicine, weather forecasting, and scientific research. We can use computer to perform a variety of tasks such as drafting letter, performing calculation, maintaining record about student, creating question papers, etc. Then next is important terms. First one is a data. The collect of a raw fact is called a data processing. The action required to be performed on data to convert into a result is called a processing. Then result. The useful information after processing of data is called result. Information. It is a collection of data according to a set of parameters. Then input. The process of collecting and entering data into the computer is called input. Output. Output is the result we get after the processing of data and taking out of memory. Then features of computers. Features of the various features of computer system. First one is a accuracy. Computer system always produce accurate result with valid data and instructions. In simple terms, we cannot expect correct and accurate result when the instruction set to manipulate the data is incorrect or the data which user is supplied to the computer is wrong. Second one is speed. A computer perform operations with very high speed. It can process millions of instructions in fractions of second. The speed of a computer varies from computer to computer. Then next is a reliability. Computerized storage of data is much more reliable than the manual storage. We can store the data in computer storage for a long period of time except until any kind of system failure occurs. Then automation. A machine that works itself without any human involvement is said to be an automatic machine. Computers are automatic machine. They can work on any given job automatically till it's get finished without any human interference. Next is no intelligence. A computer has no intelligence itself. It depends upon user instructions for any kind of task. Nowadays, some artificial intelligence has been introduced that helps the computer to take some decision itself. Next is limitations of a computer system. A computer has no intelligence itself. It depends upon user instructions. For any kind of task, it cannot replace a human brain. It does not have feelings. It does not turns on itself or programming itself. Adult and children's around the world are going computer to share publicly their photos, videos, journals, musics and other personal information. Some of these innocent computers use have fallen victim to crimes committed by dangerous strangers. It works only on stored procedures and cannot think itself. It does not only those tasks which are already instructed to it. Then input or output system. It can be classified into three types. First one is input. Input that is taken instructions to the computer system. Second one is process. Processing take place in the processing unit. Then is output. Output is a final result. Then components of a computer system. It can be divided into two types. First one is hardware and second is a software. Hardware. The hardware is a machinery itself. It is made up of a physically parts of device of a computer system like the electronic integrated circuits, magnetic storage media and other mechanical device like output devices. All these various hardware are linked together to form an effective functional unit. The various type of hardware used in the computers have evolved from vacuum tubes of the first generations to ultra large scale integrated circuits of the present generation. Next is a software. The computer hardware itself is not capable of doing anything on itself. It has to be given implicit instructions to perform the specific task. The computer program is the one which controls the processing activity of the computer. The computer thus function according to the instruction written in the program. Software mainly consists of these software program, procedures and other documentation used in the operation of a computer system. Software is a collection of programs which utilize and enhance the capability of the hardware. Thank you so much.